In this very quick video, we're gonna see a website called Flight Icon, and it's found by searching in any search engine. And in here, we can find a lot of assets that we can use. Some of these are SVG or scalable vector graphics, meaning that they are vectors or vectorials or vector graphics, and so they can be resized and scaled as many times as we want, and they can be used for user interface design, layout design, websites, and much more. So just access the site, and this is the home page or the landing page. And you can see here there are different sections. So we have like generic icons, and then we have interface icons that you can use again for like mockups or creating a prototype for an app or a website. Then you have animated icons, and then you have also stickers and etc. etc. So you can find a lot of graphics again that are really simple, and you see that you have SVGs to generate different graphic design for mainly like for application apps and software and also websites. So you can see here there is an SVG icon section. Also there is Figma logo in there. Now Figma is another option if you want to do layout design and prototyping for web applications and Android, iOS applications, and much more. So let me just go up, and you have some pricing here. So you have a free version, totally free, which you can definitely use. But if you want like premium version, you have, of course, some advantages. So you can choose, but this can be used completely free. So you can download free stuff. You need to credit the site, but essentially you can do it. So here you can filter your search right away, or you can just search for all icons, and you can just type, whatever comes in your mind. I'm gonna type cat and search. So you have all the different icons representing a cat one way or the other. And here you can start to add some filter, like if you want a thin design, or if you want a bold design, or if you want a solid or regular image, etc., etc. So you can filter, you can apply more filters, you can define if you want more straight corners or more rounded corners for your graphics. And this is a cat, but you can do the same with a simple rectangle or like a mailbox icon or whatever. And here you can access the various filters on the top left. So let's assume I like this. Okay, I want to download this. Still, I can change the graphic. So I want a thinner graphic, and that's the name up there. Also, you have a code that you can use if you can copy, and you can use it in website design or using application that can use that specific tag, which is HTML language. And then here you can copy directly the PNG file. You can share it, so you can send it to other people. And then you have different formats. So PNG with different resolution in pixels. So you can have higher or lower resolution, but you can see they're pretty small. And so I can save. The highest quality is going to be 512 pixels. And there it is. So it's in my download folder. Of course, you can choose any folder in your computer. And if you want to edit this, you can use GIMP, or if you want like raster graphics and vector graphics, you can use GIMP. You can use Inkscape for vectors better than GIMP. Now, GIMP is the alternative of Photoshop. Inkscape is the alternative of Illustrator. They are free. Otherwise, you can go in Illustrator and Photoshop. Also, Figma is good to have layout design and prototyping, and InDesign as well can be used again from Adobe, or the free alternative for this is going to be Scribus. And you will find all these video courses explaining all these different software in the channel if you're interested, if you look for them. So let's get back to our cat. And so this is PNG. The other one is SVG, or scalable vector graphics. And then you have Android, iOS, if you are like an app developer, or those are a little bit more complex topics. And there you go. So this is scalable vector graphics. There you go, SVG. I can use it in other 3D software also to extrude it or whatever. And that's it. So this is it for this video guide. It's a really simple website you can continue to explore. So if you like the video, please join the channel as a supporter. And if you join as a supporter, you can also support us and to create more videos like this. And go and check our other courses and videos. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar in the channel. And that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.